Welcome everyone. In this quick tutorial, we are going to see how we can embed a PDF on our WordPress website so that instead of downloading the PDF, we can preview our PDF right on our site. So I will first go to the plugins and click on Add New and search for PDF Embedder. And install this plugin PDF Embedder. Let's activate this plugin. Now let's go to the post and add a new post. And here in this new post, we want to display our PDF document. So I will click on Add Block and here search for PDF. And you can find this PDF Embedder block, which will appear here only if you have installed that PDF Embedder plugin. So let's click on this. So let's click and upload our PDF file. And let's name our post as PDF preview and publish. Let's view our post. Okay, so we can preview our PDF files on our page. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.